Well, sige, nobody wants to answer the question. Well, we want to stick no, to the original intentions ng aming mga ninuno, whose names you've seen there, Abelardo, Lipay, Molina. We want to make music a part of the daily life of Filipinos. Orchestral music. There's many kinds of music. There's pop music, there's rap, there's all sorts. No? But for us, yung orchestral music, this kind of music where you have all these instruments present and all those, and we want to enrich. We of course include Filipino music in our programming, but we do a lot of international. We want this international programming to be present in our community as well. We want the Filipinos to be able to appreciate Mozart and opera and concertos side by side. Music by, for example, by Ganun po.